Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's turn this amazing funeral poster design into a banner, okay? So let's create a new file, Ctrl+N, and then we are choosing a size of 36 by 40, that's 3 by 4 feet. I'll click on create for a new canvas to open. So then from here, I'll come and drag my design over here, okay, my picture, okay. So everything is created. If you find any difficult like creating the background or like removing the background of this image, I have a video on that. I'll link that in the description below. Then from here, I'm going to draw a shape just like this one. So with the help of the rectangle tool over here, I'm going to click and drag and draw a shape. Then let's apply a gradient on it. Okay, so just light of the blue, and if you want to see the color code, let me show you guys. So this is the color code for the blue, and then you make the middle a little bit lighter. Okay, so this is it, and let's increase here a little bit. Then from here, let's make a copy of this. So I'll click and drag this one to the plus sign over here and drag it all the way up just like this. Then double click on the gradients to open the gradient tab. So we are going to use a light sea blue to affect this portion, okay. So I don't think we have it, so what we're going to do is that double click here and make here very light like this. Then double click on this as well and make here almost white, completely white. Then I think we have to tune in this one a little bit, so something like this. Okay, then you can click on the new here to save it and use it later. Then from here, let's move this one a little bit here and click on OK. All right, then from here, let's go and bring the name. Okay, so I'll open this one and then I'm going to bring the name. So this is the name, just like this. Okay, let's reduce the size a little bit. So select the whole group. Okay, I'll select the whole group, reduce the size. I don't want my stuff to be too big and also not too small. And also let's move this guy to a portion like this, reduce the size a little bit. Okay, just like this. Then the next one, or the last thing that we are going to add, is the age. So I think I have the age over here as a group. By the way, you can get this PSD file and the one that I'm creating plus invitation on our store. Okay, so when you come here and you search for all templates, so just search for all templates, paste that, click on enter, then click on the first link that you are going to see. So the first link is going to take you to our store, and boom, you will have access to all this amazing. And also, let's say you can pay easily with mobile money over here if you are in Ghana, but if you're outside Ghana and you are finding it difficult to make a purchase over there, you can also come to our store, our one store, which is based on dollars, so you can easily make payments over here. And that one is Gumroad. And with that one, I don't know the name. I think let me copy one of the file, or let me open one and let me show you guys. Okay, so with that one, all you have to do is to come to paasolocreates Gumroad. Okay, so this is the link. I will leave it in the description below. Okay, so if you are able to type this one, paasolocreates Gumroad, you hit enter, it's going to open this for you. Then I think you can go back to the main store by clicking on something around over here. So just type paasolocreates Gumroad, paasolocreates.gumroad.com. Okay, so with this, and it is going to take you to our store. Wow, I have to come back for this and use it for some design. So these are some old design, but they are still dope. You can still use them, and I have new one also added. Okay, so you can come here and find yourself some good designs, brochures and other stuff. Okay, so you can use any of these two platforms to get yourself a PSD file from us. Okay, so let's finish up with what we are doing. So let's bring the age is here, click and drag. Okay, and let's position that one. I think here will be nice, and we can add more gradients here, or we can just continue to blend here in. So we can continue to blend in here just a little bit to show the date very well. And the last thing that we are going to add is this. Okay, friends, sympathizers are invited. Reduce the size to fit the situation or what you are trying to do, just like this. And then the last thing that we can add over here is this one. So in loving memory, let me just quickly type it. These designs over here, okay, this amazing artwork over here to make it more stunning. Okay, so this one here, then also I can click and drag this one over here just like that. Okay, just wait for it to load and position it just like this. And also, for you to achieve something like this, you have to apply a graphic design principles. Okay, so this one, I think I'm going to go for a color like this, and also increase the size a little bit, bring it a little bit down. For you to achieve a great design like this, you have to apply your graphic design principle, because this one is complementing with this red, and also this is complementing with this. Okay, and the white is also complementing with this. The blue, deep blue here is complementing a little bit with the light blue over here. Okay, so these are some things you can add to your design to add spice to it. And also, please don't forget to come to our digital store. Okay, as I said earlier, when you open Google, just type all template just like this on Google, click on it, then you click on the first link. Immediately you'll be greeted with a screen, amazing screen like this, and then you can come here and purchase whatever that you want to purchase. Some people also find it difficult. Maybe if you are finding it difficult, you can click on this arrow over here to WhatsApp me. Okay, so you WhatsApp me, and then whatever that you are facing, I'm going to share with you. And also, to make the purchase is very simple. Let's say I want this PSD file. You click on it, you come all the way down, you add to back, you can click on checkout, or maybe if you want to add more, you can also come back. Let's say add this one, and then you click check to back. And also, if you want to add more, or you want to go back, you just come here, you click on the shop icon, you click on checkout, you enter your name, very necessary, and also you enter your email address. The file is going to be sent to your email address. Okay, the file will be sent to your email address, so make sure you put a correct email address. Then you click on, then you enter your phone number here, you click on review and pay. You see you have the total over here, pay. Then you have the option to choose either MTN mobile money, so you can just enter your mobile money, or if your service provider is different, you can select Airtel, Tigo, Telecel, or you can also use the card, okay, to purchase it. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also like the video. Until next time, keep creating. and never give up.